What's up, Nitro Nation? Well, went and got the body out of the shed, got it cleaned up, so that's what it looks like. I know you guys probably all seen this car before years ago, but yeah, I still got it. Still looks pretty good. Got a little road rash, little scratch here and there, but still looks pretty good. It's not cracked. That's the good thing about it. But guess what? Got the engine in. So let's take a peek. Take a peek at the engine. There it is. There it is. Got the. Actually, I just got it in. Put it on. Got the gear mesh set right. And, the gearing feels nice. So it's gonna be ready to rock. So, yep, there it is. Gotta install the header and pipe. Clean, get a fuel tank clean and it on, and gather up I got a receiver right here. Dig out my transmitter out of the shed, and I gotta fix the throttle trigger on it. It's broke, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix the throttle trigger. It's not the mechanism inside is nothing wrong with it. It's the actual trigger that your finger rides on. It just snapped. So I'll try to get it fixed, and not too much going. It's not going to take too much long to get it going. But yeah, I got the carburetor on there, and got it tightened up and set. But I may have to pull this horn off and reset it. It's not opening all the way, so I got to fix that. I need that open all the way, of course. You want full throttle, right? Always full throttle. But yeah, I had to go with a taller engine mounts. So that put a gap right there, so there's not going to be no more rubbing on that 2-speed hub with a bell. So, and those taller gears, I should be able to hit some high speeds with this 18-force engine. This is a brand new engine, probably barely broken in. Probably ain't even broken in all the way, but it's very, very, it's got a lot of pinch. And it's not going to take very much longer. Get a fuel tank cleaned up and it mounted, and header and pipe mounted, and get the radio gear hooked up, and set the controls how I need them, and that's about it. And oh yeah, I got a let's see. Got to put some tires on, some rims. Those, matter of fact, got a big old split in it. So I got 2 extra tires. I got to unmount these and put these on. Wait a minute. Well, that's starting to split right there. Well, I mount. Well, I'll just mount those. These are okay. There's no splits in those, so those will go on. But thank God I got some spare tires. But I'm going with these wheels. I like these. I got yellow ones, but I prefer the chrome. The chrome really pops with the body. Actually, those were the wheels I built this car with, and that's why is because they do pop with the body. So yeah, they're a little bit dirty, but yeah, they pop with the body. But that'll work just like that. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know about how far I am with it. And it's not going to take long to get her on the road. Tank, install the header, and we all know that ain't going to take long. And get the radio set up and the field set on it, and maybe tweak on a little bit of linkage, and we'd be good to go. We'll try to get this fired up in the next day or so. How about that? That sounds good. I'm anxious to get another street ride going. I got more street rides, but they need maintenance as well. And alright, I'll catch you guys later. Y'all have a good one. I'm out.